Hello again, all of my friendly naturalistas. I won't say lovely naturalistas today. Well, maybe I shouldn't even say naturalistas, because what I have to share with you today is not just for us girly types, because I'm super excited to share this. I have here the relatively new Nature's Ultra CBD Starter Kit. And so a while back, a couple of years ago, CBD started to hit popularity. People started learning about how useful it was. So Young Living partnered with Nature's Ultra Farm so that they could offer essential oil infused CBD. And then they acquired Nature's Ultra, and then just about a month ago, it became available as a premium starter kit and also solely through Young Living. So this is now, Nature's Ultra is now a Young Living only company. You can only get it through the virtual office. So we have complete control over quality and production, and it's absolutely amazing. And so we decided, based on experience with the Nature's Ultra CBD Muscle Rub over the last year, that it was time for my sweet, wonderful husband, who is behind the camera, to get his own membership. So we have the Nature's Ultra CBD Premium Starter Kit here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see what we've got going on. Now, our personal long-term experience so far is only with the Muscle Rub. We did sample the other CBD products at convention last year, but the only one that we brought home with us was the Muscle Rub. So this will be our first experience with all of the products. So pretty exciting. Here's my newsletter. These are really fun. If you never look at them, newsletters are awesome. Here we go. Nature's Ultra CBD, now available in your virtual office. All right, let's see what we've got here. Now, the wonderful thing about Nature's Ultra CBD is, and we know that CBD is really good for helping with a lot of chronic conditions, inflammation, anxiety, things like that. And we have inflammation issues in our house as well as anxiety. So we're really excited to be using it for some of those. The amazing thing about the Nature's Ultra CBD is with CBD, a lot of times you have to make a choice between full spectrum and isolates. And full spectrum is wonderful because it has all of the different phenols in it that give it a depth and a richness in its support. But it will also have some level, low, but some level of THC in it, because that is part of the full spectrum, the entire plant. Isolates, on the other hand, no THC, no risk with drug testing or mental capacities or anything like that. But you lose all the phenols. What Nature's Ultra and Young Living has done is they've taken the isolate of the CBD and infused it with the phenols and the terpenes from the essential oils. So they have what they call smart spectrum. It's replacing the lost attributes of the full spectrum with the essential oils so that you get the maximum benefits, but without any of the THC. So here is the Getting Started with Nature's Ultra booklet. Talks about Nature's Ultra and Young Living. There's the drops and the roll-on, how to use it, and the Muscle Rub, which we've used quite liberally over the last year with amazing results. And then some questions about CBD and cannabinoids and that whatnot. It's a very fascinating system. So here is the starter kit. And I also, because we enrolled with Young Living, we enrolled as a new member. What am I saying here? We also got on Essential Rewards. We got the Essential Rewards bonuses here too. So we've got the Lavender Hand Lotion and the Valor this month, which both come in handy when you're dealing with anything skin related, which CBD is good for, and anxiety. Lavender and Valor, very good for those issues as well. So they partner well. And that's quite an amazing additional value just for enrolling on Essential Rewards. So that's pretty cool. If you need to know anything about that, just drop a question and I can answer it. So here is our CBD starter kit. It talks right here about the smart spectrum that I just said, and of course Young Living Seed to Seal, which we know. And we're going to drop it on the floor, apparently. Okay, let's try that again. It slides up. This is really cool. It slides up this way. So if you get it, you know how this works. And there it opens up right there. So this is the muscle rub right here. This is the roller and the drops. The starter kit with the drops is the 500 milligrams and the roller is the 300 milligrams. And then the muscle rub's also the 300 milligrams. These are available in the higher levels, the 1,000 milligram, but the starter kit is the lower level because that's always a good place to start. So the drops is the citrus. Looking forward to using that. And then the Calm obviously has like lavender and whatnot in it. And I am really anxious to try this tonight when I go to bed and see if it helps with staying asleep and things like that. And then the muscle rub, this is the 300 milligram muscle rub. This stuff is amazing. I have actually a little sore spot in my neck right now, so I'm gonna crack this open and actually put that on right there. And there's a lot of mint in this muscle rub here. I'm gonna try and get it open anyway. I don't have much fingernails here for opening this. There we go. And this goes a really long way. We got a container of this at convention last year and it lasted this entire time. So, and we've shared it quite a bit too, so it goes a really long way. There, now I think that will just disappear right away on my neck. So there is the Nature's Ultra CBD Starter Kit with the Essential Rewards bonuses that will be cracked open and used every day in our house here. Join us next time as we spill more wellness, purpose, and abundance.